Welcome to the Real Investing Show with Tim Herridge. Each day, we'll provide real investing for everyday investors. Tim is a nationally recognized real estate investing expert, podcast host, and public speaker. He built his businesses from the ground up and is here to help you do the same. Here is your host, Tim Herridge.
Welcome back to Real Investing. I'm Tim Herridge. Thank you so much for spending some more time with me today. Today, Alex writes, how does one determine the value of an investment property? Well, Alex, thank you for writing in. That's a great question. Well, let me tell you, Alex, that question has so many answers. We'll start with, like you were going to fix and flip the house. So you're looking for the ARV, the after repaired value. When you're looking for the after repaired value, specifically in markets like we find ourselves in now, but frankly, in my opinion, in every market, what you really got to do is spend a lot of time making sure that you're using comparable properties to the subject property. So the subject property is the one you're thinking about buying. And when you're trying to figure out what it's worth, you need to get MLS comps. There's other comp companies like Propelio and PropStream and Housefolios and all sorts of them like that. But it's key that you find something close to the property that is like the property. So if you're looking at a 1970s three-bedroom home, you want to try to find another 1970s three-bedroom home within, less than a mile, preferably quarter mile, half mile of the property. And then, in a perfect world, you find three of them, you average them together on the dollar per square foot, and then that tells you what dollar per square foot to use to value your property. But to throw a little wrench in there, what if you're thinking about renting the house out? Now, really and truly, from a rental valuation, you can go the same way, find three lease comps in the recent time frame that are comparable, 1970s three-bedroom homes within half a mile, and then average it out, and then multiply by your property square footage and get the rental comps. But that's really just how to come up with a number. Your question says the value of an investment property. And to me, when I look at it, I combine the two. I combine the after repair value. I combine the purchase price. I look at the purchase price plus the renovation. What's my basis? How much am I going to spend on it? How much unrealized equity am I picking up? What is my gross rental income? What is my net operating income? What's my cash on cash return? What does my yield look like? Because it really, Alex, the value for me in investment property is in the long-term gain. The value for me is in growing an asset base for my family. The value is in the cash flow. The value is in the fix and flip ARV and the unrealized equity, because ultimately that's how I make income. So there you go. That's how you determine value. If you don't have access to MLS, you just want to get on Propelio, PropStream, Housefolios, there's a lot of different comp services out there. And just find the one that's easiest for you to use and has true sold MLS comps. Or you can just do like I did and marry a realtor. Alex, thanks for writing in. I hope that was helpful. If you're listening, hop over to ihavelunchmoney.com, ask a question, leave me a review. I'm Tim Herridge. I'll see you tomorrow.
Thank you for hanging out with us today on Real Investing. If you have questions, comments, or feedback, please visit ihavelunchmoney.com. Tim can't wait to hear from you. We're always grateful for your reviews. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Remember, the business is the vehicle, not the dream. See you next time. The preceding program is provided for general education purposes only and does not constitute legal, tax, financial, investment, or other professional advice. No information contained in this program should be construed as financial, investment, or legal advice from any individual, author, host, or guest. You should always consult a financial advisor before investing.